Hello everyone, how are you? I'm here just to give you a quick overview on some of the features of Discord and just a quick tutorial. So first, let's go to the pinned messages. So the pinned messages are going to be mostly important messages that you should be like keeping all the time or like a reminder, okay? So let's take for example this announcement here. The announcement I made about the clock in and clock out time and, you know, all this message. So what I did was pin it. And after you pin it, it goes up here. Pin messages. So you click on that and you can see here the pin message. So make sure the pin messages are always going to be something you need to be aware of always and something you always need to remember. So make sure that when we add a new pin messages, check that out. We can also take, for example, the layout from that Christian sent you guys, like this one. This is what I meant. So this is something that we use on a daily basis about the leads. So this has to be a pin message, right? Because it's something that you always need to remember. You always need to have and be able to provide it. So this is what I want to explain, the pin messages. And also, let's talk about the threads. So threads are going to be this thing you see here. This is going to be a thread. Create a thread. So threads are going to be like subsections of messages when we're talking about a specific topic that it's going to be temporary. Let's, for example, we can take, for example, this clocking. So we can just name it clocking time. And as you can see here on the left side, I just created a thread by this message. So we can send here your clock out time, your time you're gonna be clocking out, like for your breaks or something like that. And it's something that just we're testing, but it's probably something we're gonna be keep active in time at some point. So make sure to check that out. And these threads, as you can see here, they're gonna be archived in 24 hours. So these threads are temporary, you know. So I can set it up like, okay, after 24 hours of inactive, it's gonna be deleted. So like I said, it's gonna be like little sections, subsections of a server where you just making a specific conversation of something, but you just don't want to create a whole channel for that, So that's where threads are gonna be mainly used for. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. So make sure to learn about the pin messages and don't forget about that. And learn about the threads because we're probably gonna be using that at some point. And yeah, that's it. Take care, guys.